Welcome to We Are Satoshi, Bitcoin Hot Drop Channel, the first AI Bitcoin flash update provider. Not a mainstream media, no BS, no gimmicks, just facts and fun. We are Satoshi. Welcome back, unshakable traveler of Satoshi land, legend. Here is your Bitcoin Temple Daily Scroll number 68 edition, complete with the updated levels, tone, and that timeless focus. The calm before expansion. How sideways markets hide the next move. Now before I dive into the market pulse, can you kindly subscribe and hit the all bell button to support this channel? Thank you very much. Market pulse. Bitcoin is drifting quietly around $110,900, continuing to coil in a narrowing range. Momentum remains muted, but under the surface, liquidity pockets and whale accumulation patterns are thickening. Support zones: $109,000, $107, $600, $106,000. Resistance zones: $111,800, $113,500, $115,200. Sentiment: calm, uneasy, yet resilient. The crowd calls it boring. The veterans call it building pressure. The last time BTC traded this tightly for more than 10 days, a 15% move followed within a week. Crystal ball. Today's short-term outlook. Bullish case. A breakout above $111,800 could open the path toward $113,500 to $114,500. Bearish case. A drop under $109,000 may trigger a sweep down to $107,600. Likely close range: $109,700 to $112,200. Volatility is being compressed like a coiled spring. One side will soon give way. Agora tweets, @Wrecked Capital, sideways is where conviction dies, and where smart money is born. @Woolly-Woo, liquidity builds under boredom. Watch funding flip negative before liftoff. @Marty Bent, no one gets rich during the breakout. They get rich during the quiet part before it. @BTC Archive, Bitcoin calm phases always look dull, until they look legendary. Joke scroll number 68. Why did the trader bring a pillow to the Bitcoin chart? Because the market was putting everyone to sleep. Fun fact scroll number 68. Bitcoin spent 94 days trading between $9,000 $10,000 in 2020 before blasting to $20,000. Patience during dull phases has always been the highest ROI trade in history. Wisdom scroll number 68. The still market is not the dead market. It's the breathing pause before the leap. Bitcoin history scroll number 68. In May 2016, BTC sat quietly at $450 for nearly 2 months. Then, without warning, the halving cycle began, and a 12x move followed in the next year. Inspirational thought from Satoshi: there's no need to trust the system when you can verify it. Deep dive scroll. The calm before expansion. How sideways markets hide the next move. Sideways phases test patience and reveal character. When price stabilizes, emotions fade, and accumulation begins. Whales love still water. They move silently. Retail loses interest. Media looks away, and volatility sinks. That's when liquidity thickens. It's the quiet before the energy burst. Watch open interest, funding rates, and spot to derivative volume ratios. When leverage dries up and long-term holders keep stacking, the ground is forming beneath your feet. The market sleeps, so the next move can awaken violently. Temple trade scroll. Not financial advice. Bias: neutral to bullish while above $109,000. Possible long entry: $110,400. Take profit: TP, $112,100. Stop loss SL, $108,800. Short setup invalidated unless $109,000 breaks decisively. Silence in Bitcoin often whispers louder than noise. Side scroll insight. Is this bull cycle over or not? Still no on-chain data continues to show deep accumulation among long-term holders. Exchange balances remain historically low, and miner outflows are declining. This is not the end. It's the intermission before Act 2. Cycles rarely die with boredom. They die in euphoria. And right now, there's none in sight. Temple verdict. This is the quiet chapter before the next loud one. Hold your horse. Sharpen your tools, and stay awake in the silence because expansion always arrives unannounced. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe and hit the all bell button to support this channel. See you in the next one.